highly professional release. It's based on cost and benefit.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد سمع الله قول الذين قالوا إن الله فقير ونحن أغنياء سنكتب ما قالوا وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق ونقول ذوقوا عذاب الحريق ذلك بما قدمت أيديكم أن الله ليس بظلام للعبيد صدق الله العظيم. সূরা আল ইমরান আয়াত নং 181 ও 182। যাকাতের আয়াত যখন নাযিল হয় তখন যাকাত আদায়ের ব্যাপারে রাসূল পাক সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলার কারণেই শানে নজুল তারা আল্লাহকে টিটকারি করে বলেছিল। ইরশাদ হচ্ছে, অবশ্যই আল্লাহ তাদের কথা শুনেছেন যারা বলে আল্লাহ অভাবগ্রস্ত এবং আমরা অভাবমুক্ত। তারা যা বলেছে তা এবং নবীদের অন্যায়ভাবে হত্যা করার বিষয়ে আমি লিখে রাখবো এবং বলবো তোমরা দাহন যন্ত্রণা ভোগ করো, অর্থাৎ দুজকে শাস্তি ভোগ করতে থাকো। এ তোমাদের কর্মফল যা তোমরা আগে পাঠিয়েছিলে এবং নিশ্চয় প্রতি অত্যাচারী নন। বারাকাল্লাহু লানা ওয়া লাকুম ফিল কুরআনিল আযীম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।
Ladies and gentlemen, now address of welcome. I would like to request Mr. Muhammad Salim, FCMA President, ICMAB, to deliver his address of welcome.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Abdul Muhid, MP, Honorable Minister, Minister of Finance, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, invited dignitaries, head of corporate bodies, professional colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good evening to you all. It is indeed my proud privilege to welcome you all to this festive evening to present ICMAB Best Corporate Award 2013. ICMAB, as you are all aware, is the national body of cost and management accounting professionals of the country. Since inception, ICMA Bangladesh, through its vibrant role in the economic development process, has earned respect of the professional community of the country and the region. Around 1,300 members of the institute are now serving in diversified fields of business and economy, home and abroad. With their highly specialized knowledge and skills, CMAs are now recognized as an important member of the corporate management team to drive business growth and accelerate economic development. As a national ICMAB is always regarded as a valued partner to the corporate development of the country. It is committed to provide quality professional service to the nations as a whole and to the corporate sector in specific. Recognizing the fact that sustainable growth of business is precursor for eradication of poverty and achievement of development goals. The Institute in 2007 took the initiative to introduce ICMAB-based corporate award. The very purpose of this award is to recognize the best performing companies in their respective fields and to share the dignified and valued contribution of those enterprises to the nation. This is a modest effort on our part to encourage efficient and responsible performance of the business for a better economy. Expert committee with their independent, unbiased and meticulous evaluation on the basis of both quantitative and qualitative criteria have selected 37 companies in different sectors for the award today. I congratulate the winners for their achievement and expect them to contribute their best service to the society and the nation. I must also thank other participating organizations who, despite performing well but could not secure a position this time. I hope they will be future winners of this prestigious award. Mr. Muzaffar Ahmed, FCMA, Chairman of the Best Corporate Award Committee, and his team deserve special thanks for outstanding effort and hard work in selecting the winning companies. I expect that the ICMAB Best Corporate Award 2030 will create a real bridge between the CMA profession and the business community, which will be mutually rewarding. Finally, on behalf of the Institute, I thank all of you for your kind presence today to make the program a success. I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest and Minister for Finance, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Mr. Abul Mal Abdul Muhit, MP, for his gracious presence. He is a very caring guardian of the Institute and has always extended his support whenever we have approached to him. I look forward to your continued support for ICMAB and wish to work together for our common agenda. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Mr. Salim, for your address of welcome. May I now request Mr. Muzaffar Ahmed, Chairman, ICMAB, Best Corporate Award 2013 Selection Committee and past President, ICMAB, to deliver his speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Finance Minister of the country, dignitaries, my professional colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I have the pleasure and privilege to welcome you all at this very auspicious occasion of ICMAB Best Corporate Award 2013. This is the result of an untiring effort of a group of professionals of ICMAB for the last few months. This is a gigantic task, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assisted us to accomplish this task with the best of our ability and knowledge. I offer my heartfelt thanks to the ICMAB authority, especially ICMAB President, and the professionals who relentlessly assisted me in this noble task. This year's Best Corporate Award is basically based on the financials up to 30th June and 31st December 2012. During the above period, you know, the economic scenario of the country was very abnormal. The corporates of the country, irrespective of industry, were seriously affected by the ongoing global recession at that time. As a corporate citizen of the country, the entire sectors were running through hardship. Having such hardship event, various corporate units keeping the operation on and repaid the financial liabilities in time and kept the economy running. So on behalf of ICMAB, and on my own behalf, I congratulate them for their untiring efforts to keep the economy running. What this Best Corporate Award is basically, ICMAB Best Corporate Award is not an ordinary award. To my knowledge, on such award have been organized, no such award has been organized in the South Asian or Southeast Asian countries. This is not a one-facet award like awarding a trophy for highest tax payment or for the highest export earning or best published accounts. This is it is being organized for examining the financial health, operational health, management health, and above all to examine the status as to how this organization is performing as a good corporate citizen by complying with all rules and regulations. This is not an easy task to put the organization in an X-ray machine to carry out the test with international judging standards. This award indicates an organization's long-term financial health, financial viability, and ultimately sustainability. Dear participants, my heartiest and special thanks goes to the organizations and its management who has taken this challenge to place their organization information to the ICMAB, fully knowing that the ICMAB is a nationally and internationally recognized professional institution which can aptly complete this award process and has the faith that ICMAB will handle this very professionally with due recognition to the franchise value of the participating organizations. We have already published the selection criteria, which is very exhaustive and transparent. The objectives of this publication is to assist the participating organizations to prepare the organization so that the same could be tested through above criteria in future also. The evaluation criteria are varied from sector to sector. These criteria are mostly used by the international community, credit rating agencies, and the regulators by and large. I would request the participants to go through the criteria in greater detail and also to put up suggestions if they feel some more criteria to be incorporated in both quantitative and quantitative factors for consideration of the selection committee. This is not very important whether your organization has secured a place or top the list. Rather, it is very important that our organizations have been judged from various professional perspectives, and these judgment will assist you to improve the future further. The organizations which top the list may also find it more challenging as they have only one opening. Position may go down if they cannot sustain or improve their positions further in future. From ICMAB perspective, we strongly believe that this competition of ICMAB Best Corporate Award will lead the national organizations in various sectors to look at their performance from a different dimension and may assist them in setting up the planning for future improvements. My dear audience, judging an organization from perspective of long-term sustainability is not an easy task. It needs to see various dimensions covering various issues of operational result, persistent sustainability, and long-term financial health. ICMAB has undertaken this responsibility with the main purpose of identifying those organizations and its management team leaders to bring them informed as a mark of our gratitude and to encourage them to progress further. We believe that mere recognizing an organization as the highest taxpayer or highest exporter is not enough recognition. Rather, it is very important to recognize them developing long-term sustainability of the organizations. Management behind this organization needs to be appreciated, recognized, and respected by the nation. So our salute to those organizations. Lastly, I like to draw my conclusion by saying that Bangladesh economy is closely linked with the global economy. We are the second largest RMG exporter and largest exporter of branding fabrics from this country. These positions are very challenging and many countries may be jealous of it. and may work against it also. Therefore, our corporates are required to bring their position to international standard in order to face the external challenges. In order to continue and accelerate the present growth rate, we require to give attention towards few vital factors like cost competitiveness, management excellence, and compliance. The CMAs are agreed here to be a part of your top management and to assist the organizations to be a cost competitive in every stage of value addition, such as process of production, distribution, and marketing. I believe that the members of ICMAB have been contributing significantly in these areas. Time is now right, especially when the present government has taken the initiative to amend various corporate laws and regulations to ensure that these corporates are using the service of CMS in the management to ensure cost competitiveness and participation in management and to work as the agent of development. I request the chief guest to kindly give special attention toward these things. Finally, I thank all of you for your participation and placing trust on ICMAB in performing this national responsibility. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Muzaffar Ahmed. Now, award giving ceremony. I would like to request the Honorable Chief Guest to hand over the ICMAB Best Corporate Award 2013 to the winners. First category, State-Owned Commercial Bank, and the first award goes to Rupali Bank Limited. I would like to request Mr. Omkar, Managing Director of Rupali Bank, to receive the award from the Chief Guest. Mr. Emfuddin, Managing Director of Rupali Bank Limited, is going to receive the award of State-Owned Commercial Bank. Now, the foreign commercial bank category, and the first award goes to the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited, and I would like to request Mr. Steve Ball, Chief Financial Officer, to come on the dais and receive the award. The first award, category Foreign Commercial Bank. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Steve Ball, Chief Financial Officer of the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited, is receiving the first Foreign Commercial Bank Award. The second award goes to Standard Chartered Bank, and I would like to request Mr. Hasif Shaudagar, Senior Manager Finance, to receive the award on behalf of Standard Chartered Bank. The third award goes to Commercial Bank of Ceylon PLC, and I would like to request Mr. Ajit Narayan Patnaik, Country Manager, to receive the award from the Chief Guest. Next category, Mr. Ajit Narayan Patnaik, Country Manager, Commercial Bank of Ceylon PLC, is receiving the award. The next category, Private Commercial Bank Islamic Corporation. And the first award goes to Islamic Bank Bangladesh Limited, and I would like to request Mr. Muhammad Abdul Mannan, Managing Director and CEO, to receive the award from the Chief Guest. Second position winner is Shahjalal Islami Bank Limited. Farman R. Chaudhry, Managing Director, to receive the award from our Chief Guest. Mr. Farman R. Chaudhry, Managing Director of Shahjalal Islami Bank Limited. The third position winner is Al Arafa Islami Bank Limited, and I would like to request Mr. Mohammad Habib Rahman, Managing Director of Al Arafa Islami Bank Limited, to receive the award. Now, I would like to request Mr. Ihsanul Aziz, Deputy Managing Director of Social Islami Bank Limited, to receive the Certificate of Merit Award. The category, Private Commercial Bank Islamic Corporation. I would like to request our Chief Guest to take this seat.
Has opened a new branch in Mymensingh. We've also opened an additional office in one of the export processing zones. We're very proud that we are now the only international bank with offices in all 8 of the export processing zones here in Bangladesh. That's part of over 6,000 offices that we have worldwide in 75 countries. We offer our customers a network of international opportunity that is unique. So we're very proud that HSBC is seeing Bangladesh as a priority market, and we are continuing to invest in this country. So we also do a lot of community service and corporate social responsibility, and we're very proud of the investment that we're making in areas such as education and other social areas in this country. So on behalf of the bank, I'm very proud to accept the award, and thank you very much for giving us this recognition. Thank you.
Now, I would like to request Mr. Muhammad Abdul Mannan, Managing Director and CEO of Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited, to express his views.
Guest, the Minister of Finance, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Mr. Abdul Mala Abdul Mohit MP, respected Chairman, Best Corporate Award Selection Committee, Mr. Muzaffar Ahmad, FCMA, FCS, Honorable President of the Award Giving Ceremony and President of the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, Bangladesh, Mr. Mohammad Salim, FCMA, distinguished guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you all. I feel honored to receive on behalf of Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited the prestigious ICM